Good day, students. Today, 20th problem, income and expenditure and balance sheet problem. From the following receipts and payments account and from the information given below of Ramanathapuram Sports Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and the balance sheet as on the date. Receipt side, opening cash balance and bank balance given. Subscription, 3-year subscription. Current year is 2018, previous year 17, 12,000 rupees. Then subsequent year received in advance 16,000 rupees. Entrance fees, general donation. General donation, the specific means is a capital receipt. Now this is general donation is a revenue receipt. Sale of old sports material, miscellaneous receipt. Rent, entertainment expenses, furniture, sports material purchased, match expenses, investment, closing cash balance, additional information, capital fund is given, opening stock of sports material, purchase of sports material, closing stock of sports materials given. Now how this item appear in the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Income and expenditure account, income side, subscription. Current year subscription 33,000. There is no outstanding subscription. Entrance fees 6,000 rupees. General donation 7,000. Sale of old sports material 1,000 rupees. Profit on sale of old sports material 1,000 rupees. Miscellaneous receipt 500 rupees. Then expenditure side, to rent, entertainment expenses, opening stock. Entertainment expenses 11,200. Opening stock of sports material. Opening stock of sports material 3,000 rupees. Add purchase of sports material 13,000 rupees. Now total 16,000. Less closing stock of sports material 5,000 rupees. Now total 11,000. To match expenses 12,000 rupees. Now totally 47,500. Now balance, that is a surplus 2,300. Surplus means excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. Next one, prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Capital fund is given 30,000 rupees. Now surplus 2,300, total 32,300. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance 16,000 rupees. Next, cash balance. Closing cash balance 1,300. Closing bank balance 4,000. Total 5,300. Investment 28,000. Furniture 10,000 rupees. Closing stock of sports material 5,000 rupees. Now total in balance sheet 48,300. 48,300. Next one, Yerkadu Youth Association Club. Prepare receipts, given income and expenditure, prepare receipts and payments account. From the following receipts and payments account of the Yerkadu Youth Association, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on the date. Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening cash balance given. Cash in hand 9,600. Government grants for purchase of books. Government grant, that is a capital receipt 10,000 rupees. Subscription received. Admission fees, prize fund receipt, bank interest, sale of old newspaper, salary, office expenses, books purchased. Books purchased is a capital. Stationery purchased, newspaper purchased, prize awarded, closing cash balance is given. Additional information, opening capital fund is given. Stock of books 9,200. Subscription due but not received 1,700. Then opening stock of stationery, closing stock of stationery is given. Now you prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Now subscription received current year This is income and expenditure account related with current year only, not related with previous, not related with subsequent year. 21st problem. Next, subscription receipt 24,800. Add outstanding subscription 1,700 rupees. So 26,500. Admission fees 2,000. Price fund, normally price fund, capital or revenue. Now this take it as revenue items. Price fund receipt 6,000 rupees. Received interest from bank 1,500. Sale of newspaper 1,100. Expenditure side, salary 14,000. Office expenses 7,200. Opening stock of sports material 1,200. Opening stock plus purchase of sports material 1,008. Purchase of stationery, not for sports material. Opening stock of stationery 1,200. Purchase of stationery 1,800. Closing stock of stationery 2,000 rupees. This closing stock of stationery is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Newspaper purchased 2,100. Price awarded 5,000 rupees. Now totally 37,100. Credit side total, debit side total 29,300. Now 7,800 is a surplus. Excess of income over expenditure. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Balance sheet, capital fund 20,000, add surplus, government grants purchase of books 10,000 rupees. Cash in hand 9,900. Books, opening stock of books 9,200. Purchase of books 15,000, total 24,200. Closing stock of stationery 2,000, outstanding subscription 1,700. Now total 37,800. Next one. Next sum. Receipts and payments account of Neyveli Science Club for the year ended 31st December 2018. Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Opening cash balance, subscription, life membership fees. Life membership fees is a capital receipt. Exhibition fund receipt, sale of science equipment, book value 5,000 rupees but selling price is 6,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees is profit on sale of science equipment. Miscellaneous income. Now this problem, bank balance is an unfavorable balance, overdraft balance. Postage and expenses, science equipment purchase, laboratory expenses, secretary honorarium, audit fees, general charges, exhibition expenses, closing cash balance is given. Now opening capital fund 6,400. Subscription includes 600 rupees for the year 2019. Now here subscription received 8,700. Now advanced subscription, subsequent year subscription received in current year 600 rupees. Now 8,700 less subscription received in advance 600. 8,100 rupees only current year subscription. Science equipment 5,000 rupees. This science equipment was sold. So book value is 5,000. Selling price is 6,000, 1,000 rupees. Surplus on account of exhibition fund, receipt and exhibition expenses. Reserve for new auditorium. Now how this item prepare in income and expenditure account. Expenditure side is a debit side, income side is a credit side. Debit side and credit side. Now by subscription, during a year received subscription from members 8,700. This 8,700 subsequent year subscription, that is received in advance 600 rupees. Now current year subscription 8,100. Now exhibition fund 7,000. Profit on sale of science equipment 1,000 rupees. By miscellaneous income 500. Then postage expenditure side, postage 200, laboratory expenses 2400, secretary's honorarium not for temporary employee 5000 rupees, not for permanent employee. Audit fees 3600, general charges 1800, exhibition expenses 5000. Now debit side, expenditure side is 18,000 rupees. Then income side is 16,600. Then excess of expenditure over income. Excess of expenditure over income. So it is a deficit 1,400 rupees. 18,000 minus 16,600. 1,400. Next balance sheet. Neyveli Science Club balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Liability side, asset side. Capital fund is given 6,400 less deficit. Surplus means add with capital fund. Now deficit. So less deficit with capital fund 1,400. Now total capital fund 5,000 rupees. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance 2019. Now 600 rupees. Life membership fees 5,000 rupees. Cash at bank, asset side 200 cash balance, bank balance 400. Science equipment purchased 10,000 rupees. Now total balance sheet 10,600. That's all. Thank you, children.